Hi, today I will show you my Top Gun 2 inspired value run. I will walk you through the details in the intro. I hope you will enjoy it. Here's today's route, low fast, following the river all the way to the death curve. I placed enemy air defenses along the route and I've set them to fire if I fly too high. So staying low isn't a choice, it's survival. This is the air defenses of the enemy. Radar guided launchers that are scanning for me. If I pop up above the terrain, they take the shot. And I'm dead. So here we have the carrier we are launching from. It's full afterburner, waiting for a shot. And we are airborne. It's about staying low now and full speed. I'm heading towards the valley. It's flat terrain first. Then comes the valley. I'm staying this low to avoid the radar. If I climb, I'm done. I'm going to drop a bomb in a bunker. But in the surroundings there are 300mm air defenses guns that are waiting for me. So I have to avoid that. That's by the same means, flying fast and staying low. When I have dropped the bomb, I have to escape. But right in front of me, there is a wall. Mountain wall. I have to make a very delicious pop out. Pop up. But on the top of the mountain there is a heat-seeking missile launcher. And I have to avoid that with flares. I'm getting closer to what I call the death curve. Here comes the death curve. You see them? They will soon open fire. Pulling geese. Target in sight. Bomb away. Perfect hit. Popping up for a shot. Heat-seeking missile lock. Flares out, back down into the valley. Ooh. And safe again in the terrain. Hoorah! Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this. It took me a lot of time to make this right. I'm proud of what I've done, making this map and flying it and making it out alive. My next episode will be about the Saab 340. I wish you all the best until then. Bye.